If you want to own a 3-bedroom duplex and a studio apartment, then you need to watch this video. Hi guys, so today we're going to be looking at a 3-bedroom terrace duplex in Urban Prime phase 3. Now phase 1 and 2 are sold out. So if you are looking to get one of the best smart homes in Nigeria, then don't waste time. This beautiful estate is located just about 6 to 7 minutes drive from VGC, and it's about 2 minutes or a minute's drive from Abraham Adesanya bus stop. If you want something that is close, that is not so distant, at an affordable rate, and you want to add the jara of it being a smart apartment, so let's go into the apartment. Now at the door you're greeted by a security camera. As usual, I told you this is a smart home, so everywhere you are going, there's a camera watching you. So let's move in. Entering into the living room, by the side there is a guest toilet. Moving on, you can see that the living room is quite spacious. Look at all the beautiful tilings on the floor, the ceiling. It is a perfect combination of class and beauty. So, moving on, let's go into the kitchen. Wow, this is my favorite place. Like I always mention in most of my videos, this is my favorite place in any home. Now, the beautiful thing about this kitchen is that it is fully furnished. You have a gas cooker, you have a stove, you have a washing machine, and you have a heat extractor. So you don't need to bring in anything into this kitchen. Okay, maybe except for your cooking pot, your pan, and your food items. Now, to get more awesome videos from us, please click on the like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and do join our team to see more beautiful videos, more awesome apartments. Now, in this estate, we also have 2-bedroom duplexes. We also have flats going for 30 million. The 2-bedroom duplex is going for 35 million. Now, we also have 3-bedroom duplex, this time without studio apartment, going for 55 million. And we also have a 4-bedroom massive beautiful semi-detached duplex. So outside the kitchen there's a door leading to the backyard. As you can see, you can do anything you want to do here. Just relax at night or just enjoy fresh air. So let's go upstairs. Upstairs we have 3 bedrooms and the family lounge or living room, where your kids can just play and do their stuff, homework, when you have a visitor. So let's take a look at the first room. So this could be rooms for your kids or anybody living with you. You can see it's beautiful and it is stylish. Now, I must say at this point that this apartment does not come with these furnitures. If you need to get a fully furnished apartment, give me a call. I can hook you up with the interior designer for this estate. So this is the next room, also beautiful. Just look at it. Now all rooms as usual comes in suites. So this estate also comes with perimeter fencing, 24-hour security, 24 hours power supply, good accessible roads, street lights, a gym, a swimming pool, a beautiful lounge, and loads more. You don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss this opportunity. Trust me, you do not want to miss this opportunity. Now, let's move to the master's bedroom. Now, I love this master's bedroom. It is simple, it is beautiful, and it is elegant. Just look at everything. Look at the touches. Look at the POP. It is beautiful. Comes in suites with a shower, a toilet, and a bath. Now, one thing about owning a smart apartment is that you can control almost everything in your house from the touch of your phone or voice command. Yeah, I said that. So, and if you look at the price this particular apartment is going for, it's going for a give away price of 65 million naira. Now, not only is this apartment a 3-bedroom duplex that is fully finished. Now, when I say fully finished, I mean that everything is intact. The only thing you have to come in is with your furniture. So, outside this house, we have a studio apartment. Now, the beautiful thing about this studio apartment is that it has its own living room, it has its own kitchen, and its own bedroom, and its own toilets, which is comes with a bathroom also. So you have everything you need, or rather, your visitor has everything they need. As you can see, it's quite spacious, reasonably, and it's just what you need. You can also rent it out to people in the island, in Lekki VGC axis, because it's not too far from it. And you know what the cost of renting a studio apartment is like in Lekki axis. The minimum you can rent a studio apartment is at least 650,000. So outside we have a fully functional gym, At the top of the gym, we have a lounge where you can just chill out and relax, hang out with friends, gist